Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this circuit. It is another high voltage power supply. Now this circuit I sort of reverse engineered from a old camera flash. So here's the circuit. Now normally I'm not used to using PNP transistors. I normally use NPN transistors, but this circuit requires a PNP transistor. And I've tried recreating or tried reverse engineering the transformer. I had luck, but it only charges the capacitor to 100 volts, but I'm still in the process of trying to figure out how this circuit works. So here, let me show you. If you guys want to build this circuit, make sure you have a power supply that delivers at least 10 amps. So I have it hooked up to my multimeter right here to show you the voltage as it goes up. So let's turn it on. And as you can see, it's going to charge the capacitor really quick. There you go. Only a couple seconds in, it's almost 300 volts.